here's another big one, claims. So claims is a huge area right now. You're seeing real pressure on claims organization because of inflation of replacement product prices, lumber, wage inflation. All of that stuff is increasing claims costs. So what you're seeing is tons of interest in how do we rein that cost in, and it's happening in a couple different areas. Paying attention to leakage, propensity to litigate, and obviously fraud.
In the last December, we declared a new strategy, and we achieved in the 1921 80 million of gross saving thanks to automation initiative, leveraging different assets. I just will mention that by the end of the last year, we have more than 300 robots in production, automating 1,000 plus processes over 25 business units in our group.
We're seeing a few things. Right now, the RPA, the BPM, the low code, no code we talked about earlier is getting a lot of focus. All things related to OCR, and in general, any way to digitize input. So whether it's processing emails, inferring chatbots, and getting the data out of that, but that's the core of it. There's some fringe technologies around, smart forms that are coming in, we find interesting, but the core of it is still the task orchestration, the OCR, the BPM, low code, no code.
In insurance companies, we're a lot of times dealing with people when they're going through some of the hardest times of their life. And so we don't want to automate or make our responses to our customers robotic, but we want to enable us to spend the time to give them the attention and the respect and the turnaround that they need. But from a culture standpoint, in early 2020, when the pandemic hit, we had just finished up what we called our paperless initiative. And so this basically we made all of our roles be able to be done remotely, but they couldn't be done well. And so when the pandemic hit, we were kind of like, oh crap, we have to use these processes now. And so it was a great opportunity for us to use automation to make those processes more efficient, to the point now where we're more productive than we were pre-pandemic when we were coming into the office to do their work, and we have no intentions of going back into the office or going back to the old ways of doing things.